You know, not easy being awesome all the time, but someone's got to do it. Just kidding. That's exactly today's lesson. Cheekiness is about playful exaggeration, being bold, funny, and a little bit full of yourself, but in a clearly joking way. Cheekiness is what happens when you combine boldness plus humor. It's those moments where you get to show off, but in a silly way. Or brag, but obviously exaggerating. Or say things that sound confident while everyone knows you're making fun of yourself. It's not arrogance, it's self-aware swagger. It's fun to sometimes play the I'm awesome card, but use it sparingly. Cheekiness is like an ace hidden up your sleeve. You don't play it every hand. The key to being cheeky is mocking your own confidence. Your tone should say, I'm awesome, but obviously the joke is you're making fun of yourself. If the listener can tell you're teasing yourself, cheekiness becomes charming instead of arrogant. Here are some cheeky examples.
Are you always like this?
Only when I'm talking to cute, intelligent, witty girls. So basically always.
You're so full of yourself.
I don't think I am, but go on. I'd love to hear more about me.
You think you're better than everyone else, don't you?
No, that's not true. I can think of one, maybe two people in history better than me, probably.
You're too sensitive.
Good watch always is. So why does it work? Cheekiness shows that you're confident, you don't take yourself too seriously, that you're playful, socially aware, and you can poke fun at yourself. And used correctly, it creates a magical moment where people can't help but to smile at how unbearable you are. All right, time for practice. For today's practice, use this prompt. Remember, cheekiness is best when exaggerated and fun. Well, that's it for now, learners. I need to get back to being awesome. We'll see you in the next episode. Want to learn more? Subscribe for video updates, or check out my full courses. 3 links in description below. See you around. Keep learning, and may God bless you and your family.